Dr. Jason McCullough here. Hey, wanted to talk to you a little about hip pain. Had some patients recently come in and their hip was bothering them, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it. So for reference, here's the spine. You got the front, you got the back, but then you also have the hip socket. This is where your hip actually comes in and attaches back right here. What can happen is a couple things can be misaligned. You can have a trauma to the hip joint and that causes misalignment here. What a lot of times happens is this pelvis, the spine will actually either rotate forward or backwards or in and out. And then what happens is this, where the hip sits in, isn't sitting correctly, and then it starts to grind away. It's like your car. If your car gets misaligned, hit a curb or something, and all of a sudden it's not lined up and it starts rubbing the wrong way. And so what happens is when the misalignment, you can rub that wrong, and then eventually that hip socket will break down and you can have hip pain. Now, eventually if you let it go for too long, eventually they're going to want to replace your hip. So if you have hip pain or know someone that's experienced hip pain, feel free to give us a call at the office at 402-488-0288, or you can look us up at the web at chclincoln.com. Look forward to talking to you soon.